Okay, so Moonriver just announced a new integrated amplifier. It's a reference grade integrated amplifier. It's very high end. It's quite very expensive. I wouldn't even say quite, because it's on the expensive side. It's a premium brand. Moonriver, the Swedish brand. They make high quality audiophile gear, and this is no exception. So the model that they launch is their 404, which is crazy. But I like the model name. Is a 404 integrated amplifier. It's running on Class D technology that has mega power output for your loudspeakers, but not too powerful, but because it only gives out 50 watts per channel into 8 ohms, so it's not too powerful like every other Class D amp that is out there. It has a USB to make your to connect to your PC. It has a phono on board there, so you can connect other phono to it, and you even get very good DAC chips in it, so the amplification stage is quite nice. You get very good efficient DAC chips that can help amplify and give good clarity to your speakers. The price for this is very expensive. It's at $5,000 or 4,500 euros. So shipment for this is this month, is at the end of this month. You can get it. If you really want further information about this product, please visit Moonriver Audio website and to see whether it's something that appeals to you, that you would like to have in your rack, in your music setup. At that if you have $5,000 to buy an integrated amplifier. I know it's a high-end amplifier. Most people may not be able to afford it, but if you're in the wheelhouse of affording this, please visit Moonriver Audio website to see whether it's available and what you can purchase. And make sure you subscribe to our channel, do like our content, and follow us on social media. And I'm going to see you guys next time.